YouTube video script, How to Claim Money on Chime. Have you ever looked at your Chime balance and wondered, where did all my money go? Or maybe you're expecting a refund or a payment and it's nowhere to be found. Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people use Chime, and sometimes things can get a little confusing. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Chime to figure out how to claim that missing money. Let's start with the basics. What is Chime? For those of you who are new to the Chime game, it's a mobile-first financial service that offers checking and savings accounts, debit cards, and overdraft protection. It's popular because it doesn't charge monthly fees or overdraft fees, and it has some pretty cool features like early direct deposit. But, like any financial service, there can be times when your money seems to vanish into thin air. So, how do you actually claim money on Chime? Let's break it down. 1. Check your pending transactions. The first place to look is your pending transactions. Sometimes, money might be on hold while a transaction is being processed. It could be a purchase you made online, or even a cash withdrawal. These transactions usually take a few days to clear. To check your pending transactions, simply log into your Chime app and look for the Pending tab. 2. Review your recent activity. If you can't find the money in your pending transactions, it's time to take a closer look at your recent activity. Check for any unusual or unauthorized charges. Maybe you accidentally subscribed to something, or there might be a fraudulent charge. If you find anything suspicious, dispute it immediately through the Chime app. 3. Verify direct deposit. If you're expecting a direct deposit, make sure the money has actually been deposited. Sometimes, there can be delays in the direct deposit process. Check with your employer or the sender to confirm the deposit date. If the money hasn't been deposited, contact Chime's customer support for assistance. 4. Check for holds or restrictions. Chime might place holds or restrictions on your account for various reasons, such as identity verification or fraud prevention. These holds can prevent you from accessing your funds temporarily. If you think this might be the case, contact Chime's customer support to inquire about any holds or restrictions on your account. 5. Understand overdraft protection. While Chime doesn't charge overdraft fees, it does offer overdraft protection. This means that if you spend more money than you have in your account, Chime might cover the overdraft, but you'll have to pay it back later. Check your account for any overdraft transactions. If you see any, you'll need to repay the amount to regain access to your funds. 6. Contact Chime customer support. If you've tried all of the above and still can't find your money, it's time to contact Chime's customer support. They can help you investigate the issue and resolve it. Be prepared to provide information about the missing funds, such as the amount, date, and any relevant transaction details. Now, let's talk about some common issues and how to address them. Return payments. If a payment is returned to you, it will typically show up as a credit in your account. However, there might be fees associated with the return payment. Check your account for any credits or fees related to return payments. Account errors. Sometimes, Chime might make an error with your account. If you believe this is the case, gather all the necessary information and contact Chime's customer support immediately. They will investigate the issue and correct any errors. Fraudulent activity. If you suspect fraudulent activity on your account, contact Chime's fraud department as soon as possible. They will guide you through the process of securing your account and recovering any lost funds. Remember, claiming money on Chime might require some patience and persistence. It's essential to stay calm and follow the steps outlined above. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Chime's customer support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.